Alright, this video I'm going to show you my favorite upper and lower back stretch to relieve back pain and discomfort. It also relieves discomfort from the neck. So just basically every single thing behind you, your upper back, your lower back, your mid back, even your neck, it gets tight. You know, like, it gets very uncomfortable, especially if you start working out a lot. I've been doing a lot of stretches, stretching the hamstrings and things like that, and doing for the splits and everything, but we do a lot of pull-ups in here, we do a lot of back exercises, we do a lot of bench press and push-ups, so the upper body is very much worked. And typically when it comes to the upper body stretches, I would pretty much mainly just do like the arm stretches like this and like that, you know, maybe this one back here, but stretching the back is something that I've kind of neglected because it's kind of like a hard area to target. But I've found out about this exercise a while back, and I didn't really do it too often, but then recently I was in my bed and I felt really uncomfortable and my back was just tight, locked up, and I wanted to really stretch it. And I pretty much, what I did was I laid on my stomach while I was on my bed. So I was like this, and just laying without a pillow and just laying straight like this, I could already feel the back kind of stretching, you know, and just feeling a little bit better. So then what I do is I keep my arm straight like this, and I would turn my body like that, keeping my feet on the floor while I turn as much as I can. And you'll feel the stretch all in the upper back and the lower back all getting activated. And you can do that on the other side as well. So you balance it out. So this is the other side. Feet on the ground, and you'll feel that stretch really good. Another stretch that you could do, instead of putting the arm here, put the arm here off to the side like this. Keep the feet on the ground again. Put this hand, bring it this way as much as you can. And do the same on the other side. So you can do it as many times as you need to. And then also what I like to do is just kind of holding this here and just letting the chest drop to the floor. Holding this position and pushing, letting your chest drop while you push your shoulders back. Okay? Sitting back like this. So this is a very effective stretch to target the back muscles, of which are normally very much neglected from being stretched. So this is a stretch that I highly recommend to help relieve some of that back pain.